Take a big deep sigh. When you're ready, the first form, sink down. Shift your weight, just mirror me, lifting up. Pausing the breath to bring the arms forward, and then sinking down, sighing out. When the next breath comes, lifting up, pausing the breath, shifting the weight and sinking down. Now, same movement on the other side. Sink down, step out. When the breath comes, lift up. Pause the breath. And let it go. Inhale. Shift the weight back to the center and sinking down. Now our arm sweeps across the body. Find the hip. We're going to step out and draw that hand across. Take a new breath to kind of roll back, just shift your weight back, and then step back, pressing up, pressing down, just like we did before. Sigh out. Arm comes across the body. Take a breath. Step out. Inhale, rolling the weight back, and then stepping back, pressing. Sigh out. Our third form, we step out again. Inhale, draw the arms up in towards the chest. Pause the breath to lift up, and then sigh out, drawing the hands behind the body. As we draw the knuckles together, we shift our weight back to the center, open through the chest, step back, return. Same on the other side. Drawing the fists in, pause the breath to lift, and then sigh out, sinking deep, spine long. Knuckles come together, lifting up, and stepping back. Our fourth form, we step out again. Draw loose fists up into the waist, press them forward. We're going to roll and turn, looking away. Opening a bow across the chest. Inhale to draw the hands back to the center and step back. Same on the other side. We'll step out, arms come in, turn and sigh out, opening across the chest, and then inhale back to the center and step back. Our fifth form. One hand, we take it across the body. Bring it down by the side. Brush the ground. And then curling back up. And then same on the other side. Follow the fingers with your eyes. We're tracing the side of our body, our gallbladder meridian. And sighing out. We step out. Our sixth form, roll the arms behind. Take a new breath as we gather and return to the center, shifting the weight, sighing out. And then same on the other side, stepping. Returning. And letting go. Our seventh form, we step away from the center. Draw knuckles together, lift them up through the chest, opening out. A little bit tricky here. Shift your weight. Draw the hand across the body. We're going to step behind and sink. Simplify the movement if you need to. As we come up, draw the knuckles together. We're going to step back, open out, and return. Same on the other side. Stepping out, knuckles together, lifting, opening. Follow the hand across the body, step behind, sinking down. Push back up. Step when you extend. Draw the knuckles together. Opening. Return. Our eighth form. Lifting up. Sighing out. Both hands come up and just the foot just goes a little behind the body. We're taking our weight onto one leg. Make sure you feel stable and then sinking down. Opening, turning to the other side. Both hands come up and just roll the foot behind. Keep focus on the standing leg and then sinking down. Open through the hands. This time we're going to step behind and sink down. Inhale back up. And then sink down again. Push back up. Step back. And return. Same on the other side. Opening out. Step behind. Make sure you keep your weight heavy on that leg. Take a new breath. Sink again. Returning. And arriving. Our 10th form. Cross both arms. Open out. We're lifting. And then sighing out. Same again. Opening. Lifting. Sighing out. The 11th form, we turn at the waist, step forward, and just gently shift your weight into the front leg. As we take our next breath, we roll back onto the back leg, lifting the toes. And then we sigh out and step back. Turning at the waist. Inhaling to return. Exhaling to step back. Our 12th and final form, opening, gathering in. Drawing into the dantian. Storing in the body. One more time.